I'm in the closet with Miss Stephanie and Mr. SJ. And my closet is a hot mess. Look at this jewelry. And we have all that jewelry out there. We're going to organize that rack. I'm gonna actually move that into a guest bedroom. And we're gonna get rid of all this and put it all throughout the rack over there. And then I have this drawer, which is also full of jewelry. So we're gonna organize this too. So stay tuned. Bye. Got it all organized on here. But I still have all this to go. Sorry, the bed isn't made. I actually took the sheets off because we had a guest and I'm washing the sheets, and I was like, okay, perfect. I'll do the jewelry here. So I still have all this. Plus there's more downstairs, but this is most of it. And this box has jewelry, so yeah. I'm thinking I don't have enough holder or container things for it all, but we'll see. Still kind of trying to figure out the system. I'll probably try to get it all mostly on wardrobes and things like these and bins and stuff, because then I can easily take it out. So if I do have a guest who needs to use a closet, I can easily take this stuff out and go put it in my bling room. So more to come. Stay tuned. So now here's my closet. So I still have to organize. This is gonna be the jewelry I wear, kind of a lot more common, I guess. I'll put in there. I can actually hang clothes up here again. Okay, so it's pretty much all done. I'm not completely done, but done enough to show you. So this is the bling. This is my personal jewelry. So the way I have it organized, I have my wood jewelry here. I've got the different colors, coding of the long, kind of more dainty pieces, and then the shorter dainty pieces. Some odd shaped jewelry here and here, and then down here I've got you know, more odd shaped, like the feather, all the seed beads, just more beading kind of jewelry, just jewelry that's too big to put up with the dainty pieces. And these are just hanging right on the bar. So you've got all that kind of stuff. More beaded kind of pieces and thicker chains all hanging down here. And then we've got these I'm not done yet, but I'm just gonna run those along there, which are my wrap bracelets. Got this color coded, so we've got the gold here, so you can see, and it's earrings and some bracelets as well, all the way down to brass. And then on the back, I've started hanging some bangle bracelets here. This one is nice because it has Velcro, so it's easy to just open it up and hang. These don't, so I don't really use those. Those you'd have to slide it through the loop. But got the silver here, gunmetal, and then we've got the multicolored here, organized by color, go down to black. And then this one isn't really anything done, it's just random pieces that I just threw in here. It's not even full yet. So I'll organize that one later. Oh, I didn't even realize this stuff was back here. I need to move those pieces. Okay, so that's that. I've got some rings up on here for now. This is temporary. I'm gonna get some ring holders. I gave mine away. I have one that I use, and then I gave my other ones away. So, but for now, I figured I'd just stick them there so I can actually see the color of the ring. I've got some more bangles in here. Those are a bunch of rings. These are a bunch more wrap bracelets that I'll continue to put here. And then we've got the stretchy kind of bracelets, and then these are just the little ball earrings. So it's nice because the way that it's organized now, like before I could just never find matching jewelry and stuff. I mean, I could, but it would just take forever. Now the way it's set up, I can grab, like, let's say I wanted to grab this yellow piece, or, you know, this yellow piece here. Then I could easily grab a wrap bracelet if I wanted. I could easily grab the ring. I could come down here and easily go, I know this is my multicolor, so I've got the yellow matching pieces that I can easily grab. Or let's say I'm grabbing like this necklace here. Then I know if I go to this multicolor, I know there's like the turquoise pieces here, and sure enough, right there they are. So it's super easy to find what I need now, you know. So I grab this seed bead here. Then again, I can go with the seed bead earrings or these. So easy now. Or same with, you know, gold or whatever. So it's just gonna be so much easier to grab the jewelry that I need. And like I was saying too, if I have a guest, because this is our guest room, that I feel like I want to take the jewelry out and get it out of their way, then all I have to do is take out this rack here, wardrobe rack, and then take these out, and I can easily go put it in a different closet or in my bling room. So super simple. Or what I may do is get one of these wardrobes and put in my bling room and move everything into there. It looks really nice, and you can see you've got where you can hang the twirl ties, plus the shelving where you can sit the other bins. Or I could go a cheaper route, because that's about $200. This one's only about $28, and go with this as well. So stay tuned, I'll keep you updated. And let me know what you do to organize your personal jewelry. And also let me know if you decide to incorporate any of the things that I showed that I'm doing. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye.